Picture this. You wake up, check your wallet, and boom, free crypto just dropped in. No, it's not a dream. It's real, and it's happening every day. Welcome to Bull Run Academy, your go-to source for the hottest airdrops, game-changing trading strategies, and expert insights to keep you ahead of the blockchain revolution. Crypto moves fast, and if you're not in the know, you're leaving money on the table. But don't worry, we do the research so you win the game. Here's what you'll get from us. Exclusive airdrops to grow your portfolio without spending a dime, battle-tested trading strategies for beginners and pros, market insights that put you ahead of trends before they explode, profit-maximizing tips to build financial freedom with crypto. The right move at the right time can change your life. Whether you're stacking tokens, flipping trades, or just starting, every decision counts. We break it all down, no fluff, no hype, just real strategies that work. If you're serious about making it in crypto, subscribe now and turn on notifications. Don't miss out on the next big airdrop. And for real-time signals, market updates, and exclusive insights, join our Telegram channel. Link in the description. Let's ride this bull run together.